Hey guys, today we're going to be talking about values. What are they and why you need them in your college essay? So today I want to talk to you about values and why it's the most important thing to think about when you're thinking about your college essay. So many times people ask me, what should I write about and how do I even start brainstorming? Colleges really want to know what it is that you care about and what matters to you. You know, when I have my students work on essay brainstorming, I have them think through the things that make them unique, their obstacles, their accomplishments, their, areas of intellectual curiosity, their academic interests, but the piece that holds it all together is really their values. Because whether you know it or not, your values have actually informed so much of what you've been doing up until now. And you're like, I'm 17, I'm 16, maybe you're a freshman in high school watching this video, you're like, I don't even know what a value is. So first off, there's a lot of free things that you can do. You can Google a long list of values. Just Google it. You're probably gonna get a list of maybe 25, maybe 50 values. That's okay. I want you to go through, print out that list, and just start circling maybe the 10 or 15 values that really stand out to you. And then I want you to take that list of 10 and 15 and I want you to narrow it down. If it was 15, narrow it down to 10. If it was 10, narrow it down to 5. And really think about, where do these show up for me? Where has honesty really played a role in my life? What about, trustworthiness? What about loyalty? There's other things that you might not even be thinking about as values. Like maybe you value laughter. Maybe you value, closeness and, close relationships. Maybe you value, your religion. Like those are things that are not quite, in the traditional definition of values, but they're things that might have been the thread that's connected so many different pieces of your life. If honesty and helping others has really been important to you, maybe you help others in your community service activities, maybe you help others at home, maybe you help out with your younger brother or sister, with your grandma, maybe you want to be a doctor because you want to help people professionally. So that's an example of how the value of helping others really can play a part in many different areas of your life, and that is how you're able to transition from different topics and different examples in your life in one essay, because you've combined them together with that one value. Or maybe it's two values. I don't think you can probably write about more than two values meaningfully in an essay, unless you're really talented. But more importantly, you're going to connect that value to the contribution you're going to make on that college campus. If you're someone that likes helping others, you're going to be the type of person that college admissions officers want on their campus. You're going to be helping out, in the tutoring centers, in the writing centers, helping out your hallmates or your roommates, helping out professors in research. So you see, your examples of helping out your brother and sister after school, or always being there at your church, can really tie into how you're going to be a really great member of some school's community. And that's why writing about values in your college essay is so important. Thanks so much for watching this video. I hope you've enjoyed learning about how values can really be the glue that holds together your college application essays. If you're looking for more tips and tricks, definitely check out my blog on my website, smontgomeryconsulting.com. You can even subscribe to my newsletter there so that you get admissions tips and tricks straight to your inbox. And of course, don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more videos. Talk to you soon.